baro shi ketup kubor mentaka janmiet shuban page kubor ki babnya ini pechwai kimat bekongsan. Nangjur ke jingyaki kinongnya tourist taxi laweng no ya ke jingyaki baklem bukpor hadian ke jingkular na ke sorkar. Nerake ke balang Unitarian ya ke lingku senam ke basispa lai pupra da ke jinglek kemen ke isyongkun. Sedang ya ke state level Arogya Fair ajar apusan Hashelong. Balai itu ia kena bakat lai senam ke usuba don keti bahak kemat ke jingyap jongi kelung hanongra penti kena Superintendent of Police. Ki kubor ki babnya. Ka jingyaki bat ki jingpakang ki tourist taxi pedang ke jela Meghalaya bat Assam kala nangjur mentag sengi. Ka bala pensakma ya ki nonglet nongwan hajarobat hadien baki nongnya kali ke Assam kila kangi kali na Meghalaya bandrung sya Assam. Hendrai ke kenhun jong ki nongnya tourist taxi kila wengpat ya ke jingyaki baklem bukpor mentag sengi. Tungin yakmi ya kini ke kubor.
Kajingeki kinongnya tourist taxi happening ke jala Meghalaya bat Assam kala nangjur mentakas ngi ke bala pensakamai kinonglet nongwan hajarabat hadin baki nongnya kali ke Assam kila khang ki kali Meghalaya bandrung sya Assam. Kani ke jimpakhang kala khata ekalet kawan chakakat lingsun Guwahati ki station rel bat Shaki hospital. Kinongnya kali na Assam kilo ong ba kajingeki jongki kalong persya ya kajingkhang jongki nongnya kali na Meghalaya banlet Shaki jaka jongokai ki badon ha Meghalaya. Kilasma ban peteng ya kani hadu bandala ban penbet ya kijing ya kaja but ka all Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association.
One thing we want to make it clear to Meghalaya government, we have not started this agitation. Rather, we were provoked by only one association. I'm not blaming all the transporters of Meghalaya. All taxi association, they are with us. All transport association of Meghalaya are with us. Only one association.
Even in hotel association also with us.
All Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association, they are the main culprit. They raised this issue they threatened us in 3rd of September that we won't allow any vehicle from Assam, not to mention Assam, but outside Meghalaya. Any vehicle outside Meghalaya will not be permitted to visit the tourist spot. That started the main problem. Now you have to convince them and ask them to withdraw.
Ki he officer ki Banari Bhoi district lalit marmar syakatiga jaka but uba Andrew Merthong ubade magister ula pentikna ba baro artli ki sarkar jilla kenyetrelang ban penbet ya kanika mat but ula kenturu ya kinongnya ban omkhang ya ki surok.
To give the government 2 days time, the government, as I've told you before, has already assured that within a matter of 2 days, the government at the highest level will be addressing this matter with the government of Assam. So both the government of Meghalaya and the government of Assam will be addressing this issue and will be coming up with a permanent solution so that this matter does not come up again in the future.
Hakui pat kalyang ka AKMTTA kala penchai bagajinga ki jongki kalong persya ya ka sarkar Meghalaya but ya ka jilla Assam ne ya ki nong shong jongka kat ba ki dang dawai ka tourist taxi policy ka reciprocal agreement kajing pendunai ka khajana ka taxi app bat kajing mentoy ka bakerpang na kabenta kinongnya kali Khasi bat garo. Hadian jong kajing alang bat ka deputy commissioner jong ka East Khasi Hills bat kinong Penyai district ka AKMTTA kalapan banaban wengno ya kajing ki baklembu por jong ka.
Te hakajing wan meeting menta kasini ru ngilapun snow ya kati demand sungi boper ngilapun snow bat nakalian jo administration ru kila ai kata ka assurance ba kinyarap hi ngi kindon kat hi bangi te sakawai ru ba kilaong ba kin call off syai kanika indefinite strike jungi
Hakaju kapor ka RBYF bat ka FKJGP ribhoi kila kentu ya ka sarkar ka jilla Assam bat Meghalaya bada ki sunjuk jongki nongnya tourist taxi ban penbet mardor ki kila pensngo ba ki nongpang ki khna school bat ki nonglet nongwan ki bran kamlet manla ka sngi ki de ki ba shakta bha
Ni kerpat ya ke sarkar ba konsim khia halor kene. Kajing yaki khanang ba kanumdan kana na kajing songsi. Bat ya ka association yang ka Meghalaya bat ka Assam ro. Bakin de ban penbet madar ya kane ka. Jing yaki ka jongki
kajinge kamtam ngi mangi kumbasa ane border ngi haban ya ngi haban sim ngi haban rumun mi seki saguhati malakas ngi te api jungi ikat patjur ya pi ka government berkumjur ke susan berpindah penbaik mador ya kan nang bensuk nonglek nongwan jong kan kadong kan haju kumjuru ya ka jala Meghalaya jungi borakawai
Kani jing pakhang kalawan ra jing e shibo ni kinong let nongwan ki badang ap khmi lenti ya baro artali jilla banwan ra ya ka jinga tan telai ha peneng jongki. Bureau Report DD News Meghalaya.
Secretary ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Manuel Batwar ulaong baya ka jingekhi kinongnya taxi tourist anamla banya light namar om tang bagakta ika kamai kaji inde kakta ru ya ka yo kon na ki kam jingok kai perthei ulaong ba ka jinglum bayo na ka kam jingok kai perthei shaka GSDP jong ka jela ka ne bet san 0.0% nadu kisnam ka khandai spa prapo wat la dala yo I ba ki kam jingok kai kila nangkiu ula kentu ya ka sorkar ban shim me kilat ki babyang bat kershan ni kinongnya kali ki bana ka jela bat ha ka juk ko por ban pentikna ban onla ban pene ya ki kam jingok kai da ka jingi phliu jingmut bat kinong don benta ban pendon kampura ya ka ni katanan
The government is up to the officers in charge of tourism industry. They should be more proactive, and I think if everybody puts their mind together, we have people who are fit enough to do this, and I believe that it should come about. There's no committee being formed, there's no dialogue, so let's see what happens. But in the long run, I think this is something which we cannot just look for now, okay? But in the long run, it has to be sorted. Yeah.
Ka balang Unitarian hajawai kala rakhie ya ka lingku dap shispa lai pupras nem haga ka pratrik u nailur da ka jing shitrhem bat ka jing kemen hapo jong ka phang padeng ka anniversary ka jing kersiu mensiem haga ne ka sngi ka bekemen las dang da ka jing pelong ya ka jing duai step balalam da I moderator GM Lamar ka bekentup ru ya ka jing le burom ya unong seng u hajom kisur sing lingdo nongbri ha umot sa akan mau jong u bat ka jing kentiu ya ka lama jong ka balang Unitarian kajingya pat ba ka besyet rehem kelanang pensyongkun ya kene kesngi ka bekerpang larakhiru ya ka lingku snemba shispa lai pupra jong ka balang Unitarian hanong ba Shillong Katanat Health and Family Welfare jong jela Meghalaya ringkat batkan National Ayush Mission kila play ya state level Arogya Fair ahja apusan State Convention Center Shillong hapo gapang pedeng prevent promote and preserve the Ayush approach Menteri Katanat kakot kakhia uba wailat miki shila ubala don bentalang hakane gasngi ula kedau halo ka jingkongsan jong ki dawai Ayush hagaban penklan ya kakot kakhia akishnong kitau bat ban kentiu ya ka baha kamiat habaro kiliang kani ke program balai skilenter kan pen I halor ka Ayurveda, ka yoga, ka naturopathy, Yunani, Siddha bat homeopathy lemba ki jing pen inam ki check up bom dan kam siu bat ki program ai jing tip.
As we know, health is the foundation of every society. A strong and prosperous state can only be built on the pillar of physical, mental and social well-being of its people. Today, through the Arogya Fair, we are not only highlighting modern medical advancement, but also celebrating the wisdom of our traditional system of healing. Ayurveda, yoga, Unani, Siddha, homeopathy and naturopathy.
USP ka East Khasi Hills uba Vivix mula pentikna bala itu ya ukna uba khatlai snem kerta kum usuba don kti haga jingyap jong iklung iba south stem kerta I insip sapira lingdo maunai hanongra kipulet kila itu ba uneu khna ula kubur ba iklung ilangam jelop na ka jingyo tan bakla ka jong u haga jaka pelang ka kaipot na ka postmortem ka penpau ba ka jingyap kam dei na ka jing mensau lapa ayau neu khna shaka juvenile home kat ba ka SIT kadang beteng ya ka jing tokit jongka agawai pat kaliang ki bahieng ki dang suba badang don ka jing sela
a natural thing of a sequence of events would have been in case he drowned he would have actually told but he didn't inform. That's why it merits that it was that we have to apprehend him and produce him before the Juvenile Justice Board, because this merits more investigation. Yes, we have proven the fact that it is this boy who's involved in this whole affair of bringing the child out there. His claim is accidental, that she died because of drowning, and he panicked. But that merits more investigation.
Ka kami jong ukena bakat lai senam kerta ubala subadon keti haka jing penyap ya ikelung iba sausnam I insapira lingdo maunai anong ba hanong ra kala kentaj ya kene ke jing keno da ka baong ba ukun jong ka umla banyalam ikelung kala pensyai ru ba ki dak mong ki badon ka kejat ka jong u ki dei ki beladon lupa kat ba ukpa jong ikelung uba Gowel Star Lingdo mau plang usuba badang don saki weiru ki badon keti dak ba kedau baya ke jaka balalap ya kamet adet banlet wat kham hashwa banlap ya kamet batang ukena marwei onomla banra ya ke khun jong u
Paling cuma aku kami te langsung ke banding kota nong ban yelam utakan kena ya kita kelum sta sedekah itu lajing ka te isi kai lang mai mo Nama bangnya di dalam temang isi kaya ini mengkasih deh untuk kasih orang orang menit tinggi angin absuama tu ada itu salah mesti siapa jika challenge teh hang tu kan sa onsun beno bu sun station jika mungkin itu yang orang marwai itu dan try mana balik ya kan ni nanti kan pada yang kata kan orang baik kun juga ini bu stay itu kelung penma mungkin
Ka Artificial Limbs Manufacturing Corporation of India laneka Alimco ringkat bat kibo penya distrik Karibhoi mentagasngi kala pelong yaka 75 plus samajik adhikarita shiver ha umling CNRD block. Komisi benta jongka scheme adep bat RYV jongka sokai India. Kene ka kam kala sam a yakitiar yarap sha ki divyaganj bat sha ki nong shong shnong ki balarang ba. Kaba ajimento ya sanspa ngut ki breu na ke distrik. Menteri uba sosnes sotun ula ajingero ya kini kesenjam da ka boong bakane ke long ka jing pen kup bor ya ke imlang ke salang bat ka jing kentup lang ka baroi bapar udisi Karibhoi u abilash baranwal ula pen pau ka jing sngongo na ka benta Karibhoi ka bala syajet na ki nyup santali ki district men pelong ya kene ke program
lane ka encouragement kumayong ba person, able person or person with disabilities.
People with disabilities get their adequate support. They have conducted thorough assessments across the district. More than 2,000 beneficiaries have been identified, out of which almost 500 beneficiaries will be getting their aids and appliances today.
Menteri Ketnat ke kot ke khia bolong ru MLA ke Juai uba wailat Miki Shelau lalit banjurep ya ke jingte ya ka ya musnyang shopping complex ke badang ya cekman ke badai ke projek ke balatmu ban pentrainer usnem ahja kapra ulapan bena ban mang apsan kelur tingkat ringkat ke jingbu thong ban pendap hapo apusau benai da ke baong ba nyopo na ke shispa ladep ban pentrei ya ke kam Hapo jong kene ke kompleks bertemai ondon hadu laispa arpau tuli kedukan hakaba kinong kayi kila kerpat nagi bo bedai kmi ban kam penhe ya ke jaka na ke benta baro kinong shong yo.
In the past, when they dismantled this market, there was more than 600 numbers of stalls. But now, as we can see that after the completion of this market, there will be 320 stalls altogether. So they have flagged for concern, and then I have briefed them, and I have called the two major stakeholders here, the district council and the station. So, and then I have told them that there is no major change in the design of this complex. This is since from the very beginning, the original design. So we are just following that up.
Ka Marnga Primary Health Center hinin ke sengi ke play ke way ke outpatient department building but ke way ke labor room na ke benta ke maternity care unit. Ya kini ke arteli ke jaka sumar la play pat ba de MLA ke nongpo uba Merelbons im ubaderu chairman jong ke Meghalaya State Health Advisory Board. Ya kini ke jaka sumar bertemai lashna hapo ke Meghalaya Health System Strengthening Project haga junglut ke ba nrib kundai lak tingka.
Jadi ya kini ka
additional OPD building. OPD is outpatient department lemot di Tuan Chin Rawai, Kinde Giba, Adnet, apa hospital. Kadai lemah jong scheme jong intip Meghalaya health system strengthening project jong Sarkar jelas.
Mentang nyepet ya kejeng long jeng man kasun beneng hatura ka jeng kriat kalong apulai degree Celsius bat kejeng shit kalong arpupra degree Celsius ka jeng sengam kau hau kalong prap kendai nak shispa bat kejeng hap slap kalong prap point kendai millimeters. Haba pai pat chenong ba shalong kejeng kriat kalong kat pra degree Celsius bat kejeng shit kalong arpulai degree Celsius. Kajing sengam kau hau kalong prap kendai nak shispa bat kajing hap slap kalong apusau point r millimeters. Kat bahaju waipat kajing kriat kalong kat pra degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong apusau degree Celsius. Kajing sengam kau hau kalong kendai pau nak shispa bat kajing hap slap kalong iway point nriu millimeters. Kalak bandon kajing hap slap bat kajing tiat upertat akibat bon kijaka hatura shalong bat jawai. Syaban poi syek bekut jong ketuk kubon ni pek biang saisin ni kini kimat berkongsan. Nangjur kejeng ki kinongnya tourist taxi laweng no ya kejeng ki berkelembuk por adien kejeng kular na kesorka. Rakhi kebalang Unitarian ya ke lingku senam ke bashispa live prada kejeng lek kemen ke isyong pun. Sedang ke street level Arogya Fair ahja apusan Shalong. Bala itu ia kena bakal isnem ke musuba don ketiba kemat ke jengyap jong ikelung hanongra pentikena Superintendent of Police. Terparlok ketung lapoi bekut jong ketuk kubor jeng mentaga janmiet ngin sesya flashai sengi ha kejuk kupor kubli shiboni pibaro.
Afghanistan needs a fresh approach with hitherto unused policy instruments to support its people who are in such a dire need.
Moving on to regional news, Chief of the Army Staff General Upendra Dwivedi visited the Likabali military station in Arunachal Pradesh.